Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to block someone on Telegram. First, you need to open your Telegram application. So this is our account. At the bottom we can click on the word settings. Then we are going to click on privacy and security. And then here we are going to click on blocked users. Let's click there, none is blocked. Then let's click on block users. Here we can choose people to block. Let me choose this one, block this one, another one, this one, another one. Let's choose this one and this one. So guys, we have blocked 4 users. Guys, that's how you can block someone on Telegram, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.